day. Good day. We have another meeting with our client Volodymyr. Another recording of our video feedback on cooperation with our company. So let's not drag it out. Let's get to the point, so to speak, the essence of the matter. Well, shall we start? And so, good day. Well, yes, good day, Volodymyr. You approached Wise Group to obtain a patent for an invention. Could you please elaborate on the uniqueness of your intellectual property?
This is a high voltage current recorder that allows measuring current on high voltage lines, 6, 10, 35 kV. The uniqueness of this invention lies in the fact that we can measure the current on the line without disconnecting it. It's like a discovery for energy companies. We use an operational rod with special devices. We hang it under live voltage without disconnecting the line. This device records the current for each phase, and then this current is further processed. Energy companies understand why this is needed. Measurements. As of today, such methods do not exist, not in Ukraine. Even in companies like Sikame and others, I inquired if they have a device that allows measuring electric current on the line without disconnection. This is in such leading energy companies. I contacted the manager, and let's say they didn't have it there. I had to, due to work, there was a need to create such a device. We made this device with a company from Poltava. And once we made the device, we wanted to patent it. Since it is, as it were, unique in Ukraine, most of such devices do not exist. And let's say in Europe, I also contacted leading companies. 2 managers, they didn't have such devices either.
Well, that's a very right decision on your part. So I agree with you here. If there is a product that is unique and has no analog, then you need to appear for your own protection. All right. At what stage did you come to the decision that intellectual property protection is necessary for your project, for your product?
Well, we wanted to patent it because there are no others like it. This is even for advertising purposes. We patented it so that people would know there is such a device. Because let's say it's not well known, and it's also difficult to launch an advertising campaign for it. At first, I wanted to patent it myself, gather the documents, but realized that on my own, it wouldn't work out. Well, there are many documents, nuances, standards, applications, samples. All of this is quite difficult to handle alone, since I've never done this before and even reconsidered patenting it. But I found a company called Wiseru on the internet. And here, the employees are so persistent and, let's say, strong, that they took all of this they took me under their wing, and I just said yes, and that's it. And then we move forward from there. They won't let go after that. It's pleasant because sometimes there's no time or something else is missing and you wonder what to do. But they say, come on, just tweak the scheme a little, finish it up. And they brought it to the finish line quickly and efficiently.
Great. So we were not only your lawyers accompanying your application, but also your, assistants who encouraged you to make this decision.
The company's employees are so responsible and diligently perform their work that it's rare to encounter such people.
Good. That's very wonderful. How did you find out about our company? Perhaps it was a recommendation from acquaintances or the result of an internet search. You've already partially answered me. If possible, then more.
I found the company on the internet. I don't remember which company I came across, but it led me here. It worked out.
Good. Did you feel supported and receive consultations at every stage of the patenting process?
The consequences, strong support and help. I felt it significantly.
Very, very good. Very good to hear. And so the next question is, were you satisfied with the level of services provided and adherence to established deadlines if difficulties arose? Or do you have any suggestions for improving our services, enhancing our service? We are always open to improvement, to be even better, to meet the needs of the current market. So from you, if possible, I expect some recommendations regarding specialists.
How can it be better? I don't see how it could be better here. Well, as far as quality and speed, quality improvements here at all. From my side, I can't imagine how you could improve yourself in any way. You are already working 100% more with clients. It's nice to hear.
Great. The next question and the last question. Could you recommend Vice Group as a reliable partner for protecting your intellectual property?
Of course, of course. There is no better company. No. In terms of help and support. Perhaps I haven't worked with other companies as I have with Vice Group, but I wouldn't turn to others anymore. And I recommend them to everyone.
Engage, well, we recommend such a component to everyone. We have some small, yes, repair works going on here. Volodymyr, I am very grateful to you for this feedback. Yes, I hope our cooperation will continue and you will always recommend us. I am very happy to help our new clients with intellectual property protection. Thank you for your feedback. Goodbye until we meet again. Have a great day. Goodbye.